How to make an offline Twitter archive. Twitter allows users to download a digital archive of their tweets and other data offline, so just in case you don't lose them. Now to create your own, you just come over to the home screen of Twitter and then tap on your profile icon on the top left. Once you do, you just tap on settings and support on the bottom and then settings and privacy. Once you land on your settings page, you tap on your first option, which is your account, and inside of your account you'll have download and archive of your data. Now before you download your archives, you'll need to type in the password of your Twitter just to verify yourself, and then tap on next. Now there is another step of verification where you'll need to enter in the code either sent to your email address or your text message, so choose your method. For now I'm going to use email. Now a verification code has been sent to my email address. I'll just type in the code and then tap on next. If your verification code was correct, you'll land on this interface where you can now easily download your Twitter archives. Here are some of the things that are included in the Twitter archive, such like your tweets, your account history, your ad activity and other stuff. You tap on request archive. Now a message will pop up right here which says to protect your account it can take up to 24 hours or longer. So that means you need to wait at least 24 hours before you get your Twitter archive emailed to your email address. So you'll get a zip file of your Twitter archives. You just extract it and you'll have all of your data stored in it. So that's how easily you can make an offline Twitter archive. I hope this video helped. If it did, give this video a like and also subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.